Hollywood star Johnny Depp is at the High Court for the start of his libel action against The Sun. The newspaper claimed the actor had been violent towards his now former wife, Amber Heard. Johnny Depp denies the claims. Our correspondent, Adele Robinson, is outside the Royal Courts of Justice, where proceedings are underway. Adele, what's happening?
Yes, Johnny Depp is giving evidence, the first to give evidence in this libel trial. His lawyer has been questioning him, and he's now currently being cross-examined by his ex-wife Amber Heard's lawyer. His overarching case, though, as we've been hearing this morning and seen in his written skeleton argument from his lawyers, is that he never committed any acts of violence towards his ex-wife. She alleges that she was a victim of violent acts and controlling and abusive behaviour over a number of years, both before and during their 2-year marriage. He has said that he has never done any of that. The only time he's ever grabbed her was to grab her arms to stop her from hitting him in the face. We are going to be hearing about 14 alleged incidents of abuse by Johnny Depp against his ex-wife Amber Heard between 2012 and 2016. We've also been hearing about recordings that the couple used to make of their conversations, two differing accounts. Ms. Heard said that they used to record their conversations because it would be a way to remind Johnny Depp of how he acted when he was on drugs, and that it would be a way to help him with his recovery. He denies this. He said that they recorded their conversations because Amber Heard would often change what she said, and it would be a way for him to go back and actually reference if her words wouldn't match, as he said. He also said that Amber Heard struck me, is his words used, in one incident. A witness statement that she'd written agreed that she had been violent, but that she'd been trying to get him to engage with her. So as I said, he's starting to be cross-examined now. Amber Heard's lawyer has been asking him about the beginning of his fame and how he became addicted to drugs over a certain amount of time. He said he had tried every drug known by man, he told the court, and he talks about unpleasantness at home as a child and drug taking as an adult. He's just been asked as well by Amber Heard's lawyer, who said to him, "You are very charming now, but there are times when you're not." He replied, "Your statement is quite blanket. I'm well aware there's been quite a lot of pain from youth and the way that I was raised." We've also had a statement today released by Amber Heard's spokespeople. This is what she said. Amber never asked for these proceedings to take place. Amber obtained a domestic violence restraining order against Depp back in 2016 and has tried to move on with her life. It's Johnny Depp who brought these proceedings against a British newspaper and has dragged her to the UK courts to give evidence on some of the most distressing moments of her life. So this has been a case that's been ongoing for a couple of years, and we expect this particular libel trial to last for 3 weeks.